A boyfriend mina cheated on him. Ominuko konko en lara. Ominanyi la multi socket. Ayi chongo sana kamino jia. Kaza phone airplane, kama plane pilot nyama. Dezaha wanyarle. Amino ni jia ka call. Kaku bag volon sasabo, bag volon sasabo. Mbatale ka chongo ma. Dezaha wanyarle. Ayam bang no mi wanya. Shela o pa bob dalentini nege. Den da ka ayam bang na dabama girlfriend. Can't your wife. That is just by the way. SUALIS Pammi Mala SUALIS, an advocate for social change through communication. Culture TV Zombono, KFTV Ghana, FilMusic Tagline, Katijia, then the Yangela Akram Trigger program, Bahama, can subscribe, can like it. Ante Shekamzano, as I know conversation miles on it. Tianwe and currently in Zanta. So the program I can't gender. FilMusic Tagline. And time my room program title ma kunku. I'm bang. It's all about film and music. Njata the FilMusic Tagline. Everything the nya film, Kenya music combine. Didn't beat the program was on it. So yelle come then chena technically the layman view. The soy mindem besoza zankana film zankana music pulu. Nta KFTV Ghana was on it. Mananyang when you mal letra now on your side. So dim solo then they nan kai ba yin pa man ka like ka share. Nta program was on it. Zo da singo 8th March 2026. Tinyala bam male two strong topics. Very interesting one. One from the music industry and one from the movie industry. Oh my God. You would like to hear more about this. I'm born now umpam zankana de pulu. One ma, nta the bus also come the Dabon movie Pune Bangbe the Dunda Global Pulu Be Bambe voluntary security pulu and yellow voluntary security pulu Kapambo about task force but Punu you know Bubolo Red Boy, popularly known as Red Boy or Angela Winjine one of our big stations in Tamale here. Kana lodge or complaints and kana stars, be actors and actresses, bring on the champ. Most what is they doing jointly? No deal, be o tickets or coordinated program entry. On face ribbon show. Kana lament pump, Zankarala chilling Mapulu. Tinya Bay and Shelley. Secondly, the northern film, the Bangla Nyabele, fast gadam. Nta very soon. Fansa gadam nyala when zante twi Ali Mahmoud Sports Stadium. Karanyala Oyenjila, one of the biggest artists in Africa. Karapesha Koyenjuna straight to Tamale. Kabobol le Fansa gadam as Rude Boy concert. Tinyala bayen lehe de gwaza apune. Nta azo le two topics ngoma nyete main focus. Can you tell about first sharing the Yelama Zankana the task force by handle northern movie industry, especially the concert. Nta de yemi nda kujime ntinye video ni be Facebook zone. Katama bia babondo Red Boy. Kora lojo complain Zankana on face.
Sometimes as a gate because kata analytic karwala kama you don't know what you are doing. Karma kama nifu twafun kunyabi kama aku jia left and right ancient zaniman ma. Karnyala the whole industry mazo kinengdama.
Wara soy wara bol wiapa. Karnyala Kaman binye twatwataba. Kanye wienema. Kabaza wazanle yastic bimahana Kaman privilege. Kale that double tuni omabitue mal program. Premier ko kana ni mane ntele yokache so rozo chame ka dinda nan da da ngoro konko nyo moso nirno ya pam lalabna ko believe that the media personalities ti bezanto zopuri be ti bigina te lamenti nso zankala issue mapulo nta adman ko ntwala yo ni soko nkana me on kana wa ko nyenye me that Don't know ko me you be kan ya actor ma, but you want to coach. At the end of the day, number of actors be actors chabambo na be free ma. Bam mama ko ko jiri yan yo. Be bri and that ticket into program ma. Kan number belende nyale. Ko mi nyala ne sai so. Nta mfilo me shama pam ti yagu shampolo waka mpin so goza biela. Before taw actually video on to put up. Ban ma ezo wozal gate puni kayilo ya. Nyala ngoto ma nyale. Bi nyala ngoto bi ma nyale. No matter how, akuto usugele confuso. I be yellow ya amini. No support ma be yellow. Amini zalanum yikana. Banin yente. Zalanum zan ticket. Zalanum yenda ticket. Zalanum go invite. A person like Red Boy, I could yellow share don't cook baba. So no certain to the money. At the end of the day, kapam kana into bond about your program money for free because of onye zalazo. Nta that one of the one of our giants in the movie industry, Asuro Gwanda da no movie premiere, Ali Mama Sports Stadium. Nta then Daniel latest one under encounter lala problems. Wala boy kabol agbo shigule. Kabole many others. Wala boy even anyap to no za hayule. Banda Canadian dole mane. Bamman ndire za gate puni. Bamman program nyale. So therefore the two will free. Komi be sale torle. Katia za to kokole. KFTV Ghana zo. FilMusic Tagline. Nzantam la yeto alongwa zo. You see, it's high time Canada movie industry can learn much better, not just in modern ways. Money, in concern you that ya modern ways ma pam katna beleni techniques. Tinye no shamban the showbiz of the movie industry. Don't katna beleni pam. Ashikara konku, even the basics ma pam jene. The pam na beleni le. The puninye dene. Another my program. I am called the number of actors and actresses Bambi Northern region be tamal konko. Kabiko yon hona te bama. Sama kusema program. Ka actors zako engina. Until that ticket. Kama asoro gona program ma. 50 series na ticket ma. Kapto mole lesser than 30 series unto you because of any actor be actress mazo. Atem puika salute to pam. According to him, they need the experience sham. Even for once, over South the lab and ma. We know what targa. We as media personals, Tungaza Tuntabaza Zantabaza ye and Tamla to Alamazo. Can you come to Telewood? Buddhism alarm, Zakarala issue mazo. Program William B. Ida Picona Stadium, career movie premiere nyele. I team member of home premiere ma. I can invite the two that ticket. I could kaka invite the two that ticket. Sometimes still use logic. Karkunye ya so come you make no mind. Most of come for maladasi. So come kara pu enable sooner. Kara ore me yele ka chan arabi mpu. Can you go program pune? Can you imagine that the whole actress and actresses billion bullare. So comes I go in that ticket. Njenchi. Nta programs na mpande ba. Kama katabi kama kahelka samba ndika fast mama na Joshua magba. The programs. But show my kema moy. Katinye ya free cash up chumpa ban chumpale free. Be banki with excuses. Inyela editor, inyela cameraman, inyela zala, inyela actor. Banam penshuma anye ko men numbers jia. Kaniraba karapuni. It's high time kati yisi. Dinan ka agum de bonwo kamini lela nyatu ma de tuma vigbala because amabi program bala. Kayincha akuto talo la arfulone. Akuto to any envelope bele kan yara madian with that ya ason sembala ma. Kakuto len the ticket nke as a support. Lala benma de tuma so kam zo ngire puni. Tiens son te mamanga kasama nam na pa sonte la topic mambe yele pam zang para pulo kama la bala kalma to our second topic donc de fin yele ma the Lord film nta fancy gadam nyela nguye non o program 30th May mbalama nta deje zon yela 8th May 30th May new program ma nta we have left with Kaman 22 days to program ma nta there's one question den chela zan kana lala program ma ka pam to yara ka bohera halu mama nyere hale fancy gadam mama page zo ko bohera no who are you coming for this program shadi yen nang ma wonzo kakanna akanna me ahmed mujahid bello fancy gadam zo akanna me ruboy zo no mama bohera mo tamla zo kan no point to bohera le. And from the point of view of FilMusic Tagline, from the point of view, Shelly, I think this particular concert, Mama, even Fancy Gadam Mama, I'm sure he's coming because of Rude Boy. Fancy Mama in your core, originally Rude Boy. But let's check Yalama. You see this Rude Boy guy, he's more than the world legend. Nta, hi, Fancy Mama. Now you never book to originally the performance of Rude Boy. Can I do not perform? Do you want to perform now? Appreciate it. Can I book to lead the performance of Rude Boy? Nta halti benzogeri o program na pampuno yarle ni onda ni oro model be only oro model sha ko to lead o programs from alingo sama personally do me adu you time zan halle te bago zone onda Kaman up as an upcoming artist fasigaram kan yarma oro models ndabala but the essence but dancing stars but vocals but lyrics the source they push on music the rangira they inspire ko nondo oyila so nta is an the kanang bantine so kamyen kanami Rude Boy zo nta anyo kana ka kanela ni fasigaram zo onya ayene zo. But the most young person because coming cannot tell program also yela Rude Boy. Yela Rude Boy ma pam yela bandi be me the difference between him and Ojamle Pima. Into Rude Boy of Peace Square film. Yela when you Paul. Into Abrangela Jebby, baby yela Jebby, Peter and Paul. Ka Peter and Paul ma Paul won min Peter but started music somewhere in 2002. Into our first song that was Senorita. Kabra yele first. But being the first hit. Ka the hit Nigeria za. Then that Busy Body. After Busy Body, being yele ka the hit the whole of Africa. Then that Dummi. Kasakam da yele as Dummi I do you man no go best. Nta after then ma but I release couple of albums, couple of hits can hit the lolokam. The likes of Ifunanya, the likes of Alingo, the likes of Bring It On, featuring Dave Scott. A lot of music can release before Bundati in departure. Bunda na wuce na ta tabbas sune ka Brawel taba. Nta Brawel taba ka pa o mama label. Kayo ko za pa o mama label. Nta pam ban mi hal won kanama o difference. Won kanama ami be funi won mar rastama nkanama. Won chirozo punk ma nkanama. Pam jamba na ban mili. Kayo yala yan kanama nye Rude Boy. Paul won mar rasta be funi ma. Nta be funi o yila bi da itin no yila won to su vocals about maybe 70% of be yila puni won da ito yinima nta Mr. P won da ito ko nyam da ko better artists harmonizations dingila maybe yila ma kamena ko ta harmonize kata har artists mostly ko te verse but Mr. Paul when you Rude Boy when you songwriter can write pam almost be going to map on one sabele when you learn to main voice than can be like company nta one thing about us specifically than the video clips for no I need video clips when that to intro swags kama do ko nyim ko so agar ganda ka so agar irin around video visuals ma puni but o tema Peter ngumba kana yoma din that to nyim that wa nta what specialize me in wa very good in dancing. So video clip for example like personally and alingo shene fon ko bolma ora nyela wunto mai ta cire zo wun da kusuru wa ma so wun ba kan ma rude boy wun yi rasta wun kan na nta one advantage kata mai na mala be ta pamba en to show rude boy zo nyama that voice kam dumbe be his song kampuni la rude boy o malama cho be majority of the voice zo. So I enjoy lille camp. I'm lille camp can you be pisco lille nyele. O nyela won to perform from A to Z without lapses because of ya o voice of phenomenal mature be lille camp. Program ayede na Ali Mama Sports Stadium 30th May. Nta program nta is the one of the biggest and most invested program the namin non dagba. Nta hal bandaba bamba za society the likes of majority radio CU allergy na puru nyela ngba yale ne program ngoma ka izen yale nta long ago hal even Mr. Tell mama nyela ngun nti oda idea on it honestly can you command like some time ago been trying to bring the likes of P Square been that born together ma to tamale ka izen da nyale been that charge ba lakshele early the late 2000s kala abin da nyale ka 2026 ka fasa garamino team bring ba on board. Oh my god they la be shaw dem betu na be lo le kam Ghana kanye dagbana kanye nordina be ka boro yille ka be kana ntiti program ngoma lanche Nigeria community be northern be tamale ka bamba be kana because of P Square nta recently nye ka fanse gadam jino program chef pour no on mejoto de do lambalama ka yale ibo community share ka ta risi bo concern ka yale that the moment bon ko gumne rubo e kan na matamale bam mamma yan contribute to some amount of money na sort of program ma ngwa we la command like this kind of program we are expecting a 360 program not only tenem tamal number you fanse gadam beba music yen twampale even Nigerians ban yibe yon tamabi ibunima abochinima banima bazanye be rush chanta program ma karapala shele rude boys because what in the lambene ni kwanye be program ma no gumdi hintinima behind scenes karakunyela yisha benda bene behind be gone are the years gone. Can you hear that? Yeah, P Square them that touchable souls. Kabambalan tell command the conscience. But P Square te kanama, it reminds them of Layo Kura Nama. Che Katia program, Katiga Ezo Nyela, first time Ka Baba SUALIS Tamino, so come Mr. SUALIS, host the program on Kulture Film TV, KFTV Ghana Zombalama. Zonyola 8th May 2026. So what is la lehbe de ba yizanta on movie industry pour ti yela zankana Red Boy on lamenti about movie industry bombo Sunday show entrance zosha kala yela about fanse gadam ex Red Boy concert yin kana 30th May at the Ali Mama Sports Stadium kakpam de jande eso kam ti yumna ngiri bon de la baba SUALIS Tamino so kam be pam ni mala SUALIS. I'm out. No 9 no 10.